Hi friends, in this video I will be showing how online shipping and delivery of Wakefit Orthopedic Mattress work. This is how they deliver the Wakefit Orthopedic Mattress. So this is the package. The size of this package is very small. They actually compress the mattress then folded. So let me open this black cover. Okay, done. So this is how it looks like. So we have to remove this plastic cover. Then it will come into original shape. Let me remove this plastic cover. See, so this is how it's packaged. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.